friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
And we are back today to do a kind of fun, I'm going to call it like Winter Wonderland-y kind of project. Kind of fun with bright colors. I saw it on the internet, but now I'm going to make it my own. I'm inspired by a picture I saw. So I'm going to use black paper. You could use any color paper you like to start. I was thinking dark blue, but I like black. Okay, then I found some scraps of construction paper that I had, and we're going to cut them into triangles. Here's when I started. I cut my triangle. Then I have these really jazzy metallic markers, different ones. Some of them work really great, some not so much, but that's what I found. And then you need some glue. So you're going to, let's see, I'll get started by, let's pretend I just cut this out. And then I have my tree. And then I'm going to use my markers. Let's see. This is a good one. And I'm just going to make some kind of a design. Oh, this one works really nice. Okay, so I'm just kind of making some kind of a shiny design. Maybe I'll put some curlicues inside. Doesn't really matter. It's kind of a fun. There we go.
So they don't have to look exactly like trees, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, they're tree-ish. Miss Kate likes to ish up everything. Okay, now I've made my tree, and I've made some other trees with some different colors, but you get the idea how to make a tree. And I've made my trees with different sizes. So now I'm going to glue them on, and then wait till you see what I'm going to do. Make it snow. Okay. Composition. There's my little yellow tree. Maybe I'll lay out my trees first and see what kind of design I like. Yes, that right? Okay. Oh, and so I've got some trees in front and some behind. I kind of like that perspective. They should be smaller in the back, right?
Yes, they should.
Okay, but you know, this isn't really a landscape. It's just kind of a funscape. There we go. Okay, there's my final tree. Now, here's my Winter Wonderland. See it? It's kind of nice.
It's pretty.
Yeah, and it could be whatever you like. You put as many or as few trees as you like. Now, kind of the fun part that I was most excited about. I have some white paint. It's tempera, but you could use any kind of white paint you like. And I'm going to make it a little bit watery. So I'm putting a little water. The kids at the school where I'm at most of the time love to splatter paint. I'm not the biggest fan because I get all splattered. The floor gets splattered and the chairs. But today, we're going to do it. So I have a bristly brush. And I've got some paint on there, and I'm gonna flick it. I'm gonna make my, oh, look at that. That is so fun.
It's like
oh,
falling.
Yeah, you might wanna go not big splops. Yeah, okay. Oh wow, this is fun. Okay, I can imagine. Oh, it's snowing, it's snowing.
And do you have to decide when enough is enough?
Oh. I think that that's the fun when you're the artist. It's really fun. And when you're a true artist, it's good to know when it's time to stop. So I'm going to take Miss Kate's cue and I'm going to stop. As you can see, I'm going to hold up my Winter Wonderland.
Oh, that looks so
Isn't
fun.
that fun? You
Yeah.
could make them for your holiday cards if you made them smaller. You could make one for Grandma to put on her fridge. Yeah,
Or
Winter
in a frame
Wonderland.
even.
Oh yeah, you can.
Should really pretty for Christmas.
Or whatever holiday you celebrate. Okay, well, thank you for joining us today for my Winter Wonderland splatter painting messy business. And I hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye, friends.
Bye, everyone.